Hello, Food Tech Challenge and respective panel of experts. Thank you for this opportunity to present our solutions that will increase food security with the UAE. We are OU812. Our food security solutions focus on systems and methods for growing organic fish, plants, and mushrooms in off-grid greenhouse production systems suited for desert and water-scarce environments. Our team is comprised of a diverse group of creatives: Carlos Villamar, an inventor, electrical engineer, and patent attorney, awarded several sustainable food systems related patents. Peter L. Riley, biologist specializing in plant microbe interactions and the production of biotized salt tolerant plants. Drew Lamb, food systems expert, focused on the development of alternative fish feeds through the bioconversion of pre-consumer food waste with black soldier fly larvae. Josh Lopez, innovator, abstract artist, and shamaneer. We are OU812 and look forward to innovating with the UAE.